Okay, I'm going to show how you can automatically generate AI personalized videos using HubSpot and Sendspark together. So what you're looking at here is a HubSpot workflow. And we have this trigger set up to be someone filling out a form. You can use any trigger that you can track in HubSpot. So contact added to HubSpot, contact books a meeting, takes any action you can track. You could use like literally any trigger here. And then you just want to use the Sendspark workflow action. So if you're adding this for the first time, you would click to add a new step, scroll down to workflow actions, and just click on Sendspark, create dynamic video. And then you can set this up to match your campaign. And what we have set up here in Sendspark is this dynamic video campaign. So this is set up, we're using a placeholder video with Sendspark that just says, hi, we're using placeholder watermelon, right? So that's going to be the viewer's first name. So like, hi, first name, made you a video to show you how Sendspark works. We're going to scroll over their website. And then we have this page template set up so viewers can book meetings on my HubSpot calendar. Of course, you could set this up however you want and use your own styles, logo, custom domain, etc. And then when the videos are generated through the automation, we'll see the contacts here. So you can see the first one I tested was for Ben, and we can play this.
Hi, Ben. I just generated this video using Sendspark's AI.
Okay, so let's test the automation. Remember, we're using this form fill. So to test this out, we're going to fill out this form. I was testing with Ben, but I'll use myself this time. Bethany at sendspark.com. And I'm going to let's use sendspark.com here. And then I'll submit this. So the contact filled out the form. So they should be enrolled in the workflow. And now we should be creating a dynamic video. So let's go back to our campaign and see if we are indeed creating that video. I'm just going to refresh this page. And let's scroll down to the bottom. And we can see indeed that a video is processing. And if we look, it's my name, my email. So this is awesome. That was just created based on that form fill. So it takes maybe like 30 seconds to a minute to create this video. And then what we're also doing is we have another automation set up. So when this video is fully created, what's going to happen is they're going to be enrolled in another HubSpot workflow that we have set up here that's also using the Sendspark HubSpot integration that says, hey, when a dynamic video is generated using this video campaign ID, which we can see up here, this is the same campaign ID, then what we should do is send an email. So we're sending a HubSpot email. And in this email, if we actually look at it, we'll see that we have this dynamic video placeholder. And this placeholder came from here, where it says share campaign, HubSpot Marketing Hub. So we have this little video snippet embedded in this email, which means that for every, let's go back to this. So for every person who has the dynamic video generated, send them an email that's using the HubSpot placeholder so that they get the video personalized for them. And I just think I saw that this did finish generating. Yep, so we can see this video was created for me, which means that if I check my email, then I should get a Sendspark video, which I have right here. I sent myself a bunch of samples, so you see a bunch, but there's just this one. And we should be able to click on it and see this video in our browser.
I just generated this video using Sendspark's AI.
So super simple. And once you set it up, right, you're going to be able to send those personalized videos out at scale in your email automation for sales outreach, customer onboarding, general marketing automation, all kinds of things. So hope you enjoy this and let us know if you have any feedback. Thanks.